Hello beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another online crypto earning platform which we are going to review. You can use this platform to earn daily in crypto and also make daily withdrawals. So in this video we are going to make a withdrawal to show you guys a live payment proof as well. Everything about this platform is going to be discussed in today's video. So make sure to watch the video till end. And now without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. The link to this platform will be given below in the description. Simply click the link and you will come to this page. Here first of all you need to create an account. So for that you need to add in your email and your password and register your account. And once your account is created, go to login and log into your account. Once you log into the platform you will see this interface. Here you can use this platform to make daily earnings and daily withdrawals. So first of all let me show you how to claim your daily earnings from here. Here you see this project button, click on it. And that will take you to this page, and here you have different tasks available. You can complete these tasks once you have the VIP package unlocked. So you can complete this one for VIP 1, this one for VIP 2. So here you see this 10 USDT invest now button, click on it. And this will take you to the deposit page. And here you will see this wallet address. You can send the required funds onto this address according to your VIP level requirement, and the amount will be added into your account. And after we have made the deposit of 10 USDT in the account, we can just simply click on this invest button and this will take us to the task page. Just click on this invest now button and our package has been activated successfully. And you can see daily we will be able to claim 19% profit from here. And from here you can see today's payment has been added into the account, $1.9. And after every 24 hours the payments will be added into our account. Here you can see all the future settlements. Also here you get your referral link. You can copy your link and invite your friends to the platform. And whoever joins the platform from your link, you will receive some bonus in return of that as well. So the bigger your team is, the more daily profit you can make. And now as everything has been discussed, now let's make a withdrawal from this platform and show you guys a live payment proof. And now all we need to do is just click on this confirm button. Here you can see withdrawal successfully. The funds have been deducted from here, and now we will see how much time it takes for the funds to receive into our crypto wallet. Well, it just took around 20 seconds, and here you can see we have received the amount into our trust wallet. This is the same amount which we just withdraw from the platform. This proves that the platform is legit and it is giving quick light speed withdrawals. You can give this platform a try if you liked it, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And that's all I had for this video. I really hope you like this new platform. If you did, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the channel. Also join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for all the latest updates, and I will see you guys in the next video.